Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can add voiceover to your Instagram post. Let's dive in. First of all, you open your Instagram app. Then when you try to make a post, you click on the plus icon here to make a post, and then so you click on views. If it's views you want to post, click on views and then add the video you would like to post on your views. When you click on it, I'm using this as an example, and then you click on edit video. When you click on edit video, you see the option that says voice. Click on voice and then it will prompt you to add your voiceover to it. When you click on voiceover, then you click on record here. As you are recording the voiceover like this, the voice will be added. Once you have recorded the voice, you click on done. You click on done and then you click on the next option here. You click on next and then you can, from there you can make your post. That way you will be able to add your voiceover to your Instagram post. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification icon so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.